Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Report for Wednesday, the 5th of October, 2022. I'm Sean Aylmer, and every afternoon I've got the 5 stories that happened today that you need to know about. Let's jump into it. Story number 1, the S&P ASX 200 closed up 1.7% today to 6,816 points, the second strong session in a row. In fact, it's the best two-day performance since March 2020. Hopes that interest rates in the US and Australia won't rise by as much as first feared is underpinning the rally. The banks had a particularly strong day. Westpac was up more than 3%, while Commonwealth Bank and ANZ jumped 2.5%, and National Australia Bank rose 2%. Some big caps did really well. James Hardie Industries, which is highly leveraged to the US economy, jumped nearly 7%. Online property outfit REA Group did better. It rose 7.4%, while WiseTech Global jumped 5.7% and Xero increased 4%. But the best performer today was biopharma group Telix Pharmaceuticals, up more than 11%, while wealth management infrastructure group Hub24 jumped 9%. Buy now, pay later company Block and healthcare outfit Nanosonics all rose more than 5%. Worst was emerging lithium group Sayona Mining, which dropped nearly 6%, while scrap metal company Sims fell 4%. Very good day on the market. Story number 2, Canada's Dye & Durham, well, they're back. Dye & Durham has made a new $1.27 billion bid for Link Group's corporate markets business and its BCM division. Link's board says it's now considering the offer, having rebuffed a lower offer in recent days. That sent Link's share price up 7% today. The non-binding indicative proposal is broader than 2 offers by Dye & Durham over the past week. The proposals followed the collapse of a $2.5 billion bid for Link by Dye & Durham. It fell over after UK regulators intervened. Link's share price is down more than 25% over the past month since the collapse of that original Dye & Durham offer. Story number 3, Fortescue Metals Group has more than doubled its planned capital expenditure for its green energy arm, adding a new project in Germany. Fortescue Future Industries unit will invest $130 million with Tree Energy Solutions, TES, better known as TESS, to become a partner in a gas import terminal and planned green energy hub in Wilhelmshaven, Germany. That's according to Bloomberg. Under the plans, Fortescue Future Industries will take a 30% stake in TESS. First delivery of green hydrogen into the TESS terminal is anticipated to take place in 2026, with the partners aiming to supply 300,000 tonnes in an initial phase. As a result of the plans, Fortescue will now spend $230 million on green initiatives this financial year, up from a previous $100 million estimate flagged in August. Story number 4, Elon Musk is back on the hunt for Twitter, reviving his bid to buy the social media group for the original price of $44 billion. Shares in Twitter jumped more than 18% after media reports of the renewed offer. It's an about-face for the Tesla billionaire who, for months, has been trying to back out of his contract to buy Twitter. The reversal should end a courtroom fight over the acquisition. Indeed, the about-face might have something to do with Mr. Musk's prospects in that court case. If successful, it'll be an interesting first few months for Mr. Musk, who has been publicly critical of management and questioned the value of the platform. He's also alleged that Twitter was lying about what percentage of users were bots. And story number 5. Wall Street closed higher this morning after data showed that US job openings fell in August by the most since early in the pandemic, a sign that the labour market is cooling. The near 10% drop was the largest in 2.5 years. The strong rally overnight meant the broad-based S&P 500 closed up 2.6%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq finished more than 3% higher. The rally has been widespread in the past couple of days beyond the borders of North America. In fact, the MSCI World Index is up 3.3% over the past 24 hours. That's it for the afternoon report for Wednesday, the 5th of October, 2022. Michael Thompson and I will be back tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of Fear and Greed. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.